how to make affiliate marketing reels for Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make affiliate marketing videos for Instagram. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So before I begin and show you guys how you can actually make it, let me just show you a couple of different pages and tell you how they basically do affiliate marketing on Instagram. So the first page that I have over here is called the good quote. Now, as you can see over here, it has almost 23.5 million followers, which is quite a lot there. And as you can see, they're a page of positive and motivational quotes founded by this user over here, and they are advocating for mental health and self-development. So as you can see over here, if we scroll down below, we can see all these posts, all these motivational posts. Now, these are very good and all, and you can do them as well, but for now I'm going to show you what it basically is. But for now, I'm going to show you the videos. So if we click over here in the video section, so over here, if we hover our mouse over them, so as you can see, 51k likes and 262 comments, 4,000 likes, 80,000 likes, 6,000 likes, 63,000 likes. As you can see, some have very high number of likes as compared to other posts, and that is because they are usually over onto the Explorer page. So they are usually over here in the Explorer page. So what that basically means is that whenever you post something, you have to add in a specific hashtags underneath those posts so that people can follow them. So if we come over here, all right, over here in this post, so I can't see any comments over here, any tags. Let me just see underneath this post, maybe it has something. So if I come down over here, I can't find the hashtags. Maybe if we look on the application itself, man, then we'll basically find it. But you get my meaning. So as you can see over here, they have built up quite a lot of following through hashtagging and stuff like that. And then they have, made quite a lot of following. And then they have achieved that following. They've added this link over here, as you can see. So if I click on this link, it'll take us to their product that they're selling or their website. So over here, as you can see, try out the uncertainty tests. So this is their website. As you can see, people can come over here or their shows and stuff like that. This is how they basically promote their product and website and stuff like that. Another channel that I want to show you guys is this channel called Millionaires, and down below, as you can see, they have 189,000 followers, which is not as many as the previous one, but still quite a lot. Now, what they basically do is they do motivational posts, success posts, and money posts and stuff like that. So you get what I'm saying. So if we click on the videos over here, so as you can see, they only have a couple of different videos. So we don't have to check them out as well. We'll just check out other posts. So over here, as you can see, we have different posts. So if I click over here, click on this post, keep it private until it's permanent and stuff like that. So motivational quotes. So if I click over here, why the poor are getting poorer and the rich are getting richer. So as you can see, these are some of the motivational quotes for some of the biggest people on the planet, some of the richest and most successful people on the planet. So it's pretty simple what they do. And as you can see over here, they also have an affiliate link over here. So if I click on their affiliate link, we're going to be taken over to their website, their product that they are promoting. So this is the product that they are promoting. Entrepreneur Secrets, the secret to Instagram. So this is their website. This is how they're basically promoting their content, their website, their product. So as you can see, it's pretty successful. And this one over here, this page is called mental.aspect. They're doing the exact thing. So these are the video posts, motivational posts, and funny videos and stuff like that. But if we come over here in the post section, as you can see, these are motivational quotes. So this is how they basically do it. They add hashtag, they build a following, and then they promote their product. So it's pretty simple. Now that you know how we can, promote products, let me show you how you can basically make these posts. So for that, what we need to do is go over to canva.com. Now on canva.com, what we have to do is come over here into social media. When we click on social media, we will see we have Instagram posts, we have Facebook posts, Instagram story, your story, WhatsApp status, and stuff like that. So what we need to do is we need to find Instagram video post or something like that. Maybe, okay, Instagram post was over here. Let's click on this option right here. Let's create an Instagram post. So we're trying to make a video, right? So let's click on this option right here. As you can see, this is the video. Let me just okay, so in social media so I guess we have to make Instagram story, I think. So if I click over here, click on Instagram story, we'll have a proper vertical view. So as you can see over here, yeah. So what we need to do now is we need to upload a video. So over here, as you can see, we have this one over here. It looks pretty nice. It's pretty decent. And if we scroll down below, what we can do is we can change up the video. So if I search for video, so let me just go ahead and search for more videos. So if I search for more videos over here, we can see we have educational videos, slideshow videos, YouTube videos. So let me just go ahead and search for motivational videos. If I get them over here, as you can see, we have quite some templates, quite a lot of different templates over here. So what we can do now is we can select whichever one we want. So I think that a scenery video would be much better. So let's go ahead and look for scenery. So if I search for scenery, as you can see, we have quite a lot of different videos over here, but we don't have a lot. Most of them are for pro versions. So let me just search for mountains. And mountain videos. So I have this one over here. So this one looks pretty good. So if I choose this one, as you can see, it looks pretty good if I play this video. So yeah, this one looks really good. Now what we can do next is we can add up a motivational quote over here and stuff like that, but it looks pretty cool as it is, right? So we can download it as it is. But let's just say that we want to change up the text. So we're going to go ahead and delete this one over here, which says 2021. Let's go ahead and delete that and delete this one. And over here, we're going to bring that up over here at the middle and then just increase the size of it. So once we have increased the size, let me just go ahead and center align it real quick, increase the size more. So as you can see, let me just, here we go. So now it looks much better. Now what we'll do this is we can bring that down over here, right? And now we can, let me just fit the video over here real quick as well. So video has been fitted. Now let me just go ahead and move it up over here in the center. Where is the center? So I don't see the center real quick. So this is the center, right? So we'll just put this over here. So, and we'll take this bar over here, and we'll take this bar over here. We'll take this bar over here. So it looks pretty centered. Okay, looks really centered. And now what we can do next is we can change this quote. So now you're wondering, where do I find quotes? Now you can easily find your own quotes from different song lyrics or books that you've written or stuff like that. But if you don't know where you can find different quotes, then I would suggest this website called brainyquotes.com. And once you come over here, you can find all these different types of quotes: inspirational, motivational, attitude, life, positive. You can find quotes from different authors such as Mark Twain, Colin Powell, Albert Einstein, and stuff like that. And then you can find in news quotes from S.C. Hinton, Vladimir Nabokov, Will Rogers, Sean Combs, and many more. Like, it's pretty amazing. So let's go ahead and search for motivational quotes over here. And as you can see, we have quite a lot of different codes over here, and let's go ahead and read some of them out. So let's read the first one. So this one says, good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. Now I know it sounds pretty cheesy, but it's pretty amazing. Like, it has real meaning. So we're gonna go ahead and use that as well. So we'll go ahead and copy it, go back to Canva, go back to Canva, and we'll just paste it over here. So this is how it will look like. So let me just take it up over here and over here, paste that over there. And we'll put this over here, right around here. Okay, and we'll take this up over here and we'll put it over here. Now that looks pretty cool. Now let me just go ahead and select all of that and group them up. And now we can, no, ungroup them. And now we can, go ahead and move this one, and this one. Let's put them down over here in the center. So this is how it will look like. So as you can see, it's pretty center aligned now, and it looks pretty cool. Now, when we play this video, this is how it will look like. So we can go ahead and change the text of it as well. You can change the font of it. So let's go ahead and change the font to this one over here, but it's premium, so we can't use that. So we'll check out some other fonts that we can find, such as this one over here. Now we can't even understand what's written over there. What about this one? No, still not good. We'll keep this one over here. Like, we'll keep this one. Okay, this one looks good. We'll keep that one. We'll just keep it like that. Now when we play this video, this is how it will look like, and it's pretty cool. Let me just put this down here. And then we can just simply download the video in MP4 suggested, and then we can save the setting and download this video, and that is basically it. And then we can upload the video onto our Instagram page and then put in the right hashtag motivation and stuff like that. Then we can, once we have built up for a certain amount of following, then we can start uploading our affiliate links underneath our posts and pages. Then we can start making money. Now, before I end this video, another website that you guys can use is called pexels.com. Now, over here, you can find different stock images and videos for free. So if we search for scenery videos, let's go ahead and search for videos over here. Click on videos. So as you can see, we have quite a lot of different videos of different sceneries. Now, what if you wanted a video that was like, in vertical form, in different orientation? What you can do is come over here and click on vertical orientation, and then you can just simply download these videos as they are. And then once you have downloaded them, you can go over to your Instagram page, upload them, and when they are uploaded, you can edit them and you can copy the posts such as these from this website. And once you have uploaded them, you can copy these codes from this website, and then you can paste them, and you can just upload the video over to your story, and that is basically it. That is how you create different Instagram reels or videos for your page. And once you have made a certain amount of following, then you can go ahead and upload those videos. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care. And that is how you basically pour affiliate marketing on Instagram. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because if you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.